Ever seen a dragonfly zip around like a tiny helicopter? It's pretty amazing. Dragonflies aren't just pretty to look at, they're flying ninjas. Thanks to their wing structure, they can beat each wing independently. This means they can hover in mid-air, fly backward, and make quick turns like it's no big deal. Imagine having that kind of control. What's even cooler? Dragonflies can reach speeds up to 30 miles per hour. That's faster than most humans can run, and their incredible vision helps them spot prey from far away, so they rarely miss a meal. So next time you see a dragonfly, take a moment to watch its moves. You're witnessing one of nature's most skilled flyers in action. Pretty awesome, right?